put the downpipe on, connect the exhaust, finish up in the inside with the shifter, start her up.
Last bolt just went in, guys.
Good to go.
Started at 8 this morning. And it was currently
What time is it?
2:31.
Not bad. Got to do it all by myself, completely by myself. Transmission's in, we're good to go. Hook up the downpipe, hook up the exhaust, button up the shifter parts around the shifter, all the waterproofing stuff, put the shifter on, start it up. Drop it back down on the ground. I still got to put the skid plates and all that stuff, the protector for the drive shaft, but I'm going to leave that off when I take it off for a ride just in case I hear any weird noises or anything. I got to take the drive shaft off. That way I don't have to take all that stuff off, and then I'll just put that back on later once it's all good to go. Alright. In a second you'll see us starting the car. Alright, so okay.
The GoPro fell.
GoPro fell. Alright, so we think we're good. Our clutch is in, everything's good to go. We're going to take it off for its first spin, see how it goes. I did leave the drive shaft, the brace that holds the drive shaft on the back. I left a couple of bolts loose, so it was making a weird noise. Hopefully that was the noise. So we'll take it out around the block real quick for a spin, and then yeah, let's do it.
And everything. How scary is this?
Yeah, I think it fucks.
Is it really? Jesus, dude. You're scaring the fuck out of me, Kevin.
What?
I don't know. You're so
I think you nailed it.
Oh.
Yeah, you making that noise anymore?
Oh shit!
I think you got it.
Ah, damn! Shit fucks.
Yeah, I gotta fucking fix the suspension. I can feel it all over. No, before I sell it.
God damn, no, come on!
Before I sell it.
That means like, oh, you're gonna fix the suspension.
Now you nailed it. You got it.
What was it?
It was wobbling because the drive shaft was just sitting there moving when it was putting power to the rear wheels.
Oh, it probably wasn't tight all the way.
Yeah, it wasn't. I went in there and I touched it with my fingers immediately.
Oh.
I just totally I forgot to put them on because I was too big of a rush.
You're too excited.
Yeah.
Whoa, it farted. Golly!
Holy shit.
Damn.
A lot of fucking smoke behind me. See that?
The fuck?
I don't know what that is, but I gotta go figure that out.
Oh,
Now that this thing's done, now you gotta start dumping money into the OBS.
Oh, yeah. Yep, we're gonna... What are you looking at me like that for?
I'm getting stressed out, bro.
He is stressed. I mean, it's up and running, but
It's up and running, but it looks like we got a little issue, so I'll figure that out. There's oil coming out the turbo, so I don't know what that could possibly be. I'll probably look at some things, see what's wrong with it, but other than that, it runs great. And smokes a lot because of the fucking turbo, but we'll see what
and
happens.
misses.
And misses.
It's like a misfire or something like that. But yeah, it's alright.
It's alright. It'll be okay. We'll figure it out.
It's just parts. It's just money.
Yep.
But yeah, update. We'll probably start working on that OBS and on the Civic soon. Whatever, which one? We'll have to figure one.
This one for sure. This starts this week.
Okay. And then after that, we might
figure out what you want to do with the OBS.
Okay. So yeah, just a little update. We'll get, since that one's up and running now.
Yeah,
I guess
for
it's
the
our
most part.
turn to spend some.
Time to start putting money on something else.
How long did it take you to get this one done?
I think start to finish, probably like 8 months. And that's just taking my time. And waiting on parts. Other than that.
You got a car done before we go. Technically the death car, but this is
I mean,
actual.
we've
Like,
had
this is
a
actual.
few guys, but yeah.